Skyrocket your credit score in 2025. Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my credit score as fast as possible in 2025. Having a good credit score is crucial for financial success. It can be the difference between getting approved for a loan or credit card and being rejected. It can also affect the interest rates you're offered and even your ability to rent an apartment or get a job. In today's economy, understanding how to boost your credit score quickly is a vital skill that can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Having a low credit score can be frustrating and feel like a weight that's holding you back. You may have tried to apply for a credit card or loan, only to be rejected due to your credit score. Or maybe you've been approved, but at an interest rate that's higher than you'd like. You may even have trouble renting an apartment or getting a cell phone plan because of your credit score. Whatever the case, having a low credit score can be a major obstacle to achieving your financial goals. One of the most common challenges people face with low credit scores is feeling like they're stuck in a cycle of debt. They may have high-interest credit cards or loans that are difficult to pay off, and as a result, their credit score continues to suffer. Another challenge is not knowing how to improve their credit score in the first place. They may not understand how credit scores are calculated or what they need to do to improve theirs. Additionally, having a low credit score can also have a significant impact on your financial opportunities. It can limit your ability to get approved for credit or loans, and can even affect your ability to get a job or rent an apartment. In some cases, it can even affect your insurance rates or ability to get a cell phone plan. The good news is that improving your credit score is possible, and with the right strategies, you can achieve a good credit score in no time. So what can you do to improve your credit score? One of the most important strategies is to make your payments on time. This accounts for 35% of your credit score, so it's crucial that you're making all of your payments on time, every time. Another strategy is to reduce your credit card balances. This will not only improve your credit utilization ratio, but it will also free up more money in your budget to put towards paying off debt. Another key strategy is to monitor your credit report regularly. This will help you catch any errors or inaccuracies that could be affecting your credit score. You can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies once a year, and you can also sign up for credit monitoring services that will alert you to any changes to your report. The most effective tip I can give you for improving your credit score quickly is to focus on paying off high-interest debt. This will not only improve your credit utilization ratio, but it will also free up more money in your budget to put towards paying off debt. One strategy you can use is the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Another strategy you can use is the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the debt with the smallest balance first. Both of these strategies can be effective, and the key is to find the method that works best for you and stick to it. By focusing on paying off high-interest debt, you can improve your credit score quickly and achieve financial freedom faster. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. By implementing these strategies and staying consistent, you can achieve a good credit score and unlock new financial opportunities. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experiences with credit scores, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial tips and tricks.